Good morning from Steve's Homestead Workshop. My name is Ellie. Today I'm outside in the garden and I'm gonna start getting the garden ready for spring. I've been letting this weed grow in the garden since fall, and today I'm gonna use the weed eater and cut it down, leave it on the ground, and then I'm gonna put cardboard over the weeds and let it decompose. And on top of the cardboard, I'm going to put wood chips. This is called the Back to Eden garden method. And this will be our first time doing this. So let's see how it goes. I am now doing a voiceover for the rest of this video because I had a problem with my camera while making this video. Here I am weed eating the garden, getting it ready for the boxes. You're actually supposed to kill the grass in the original Back to Eden method, but I didn't do that. I just left the grass to decompose into the soil. Next, I put down recycled cardboard boxes. We had purchased quite a few solar panels and we saved the boxes throughout the year. The boxes were quite large, so they really helped us. Before I put them down, I removed the labels, tape, and staples. Then I put wood flakes down over the boxes. You're really supposed to add wood chips, but I couldn't get any in time to get the garden ready. But I can add the wood chips later. Once I got the wood flakes down, I noticed the wind was blowing them out of the garden. So I put hay over the flakes to help hold them down. Then I sprayed the garden with water to weigh all of them down. It's going to take a long time for the boxes to deteriorate. And in the meantime, they're going to block the weeds. And for me, that's a big benefit because I really hate weeding. When I get ready to plant, I'm going to cut a hole in the boxes for each plant. And also I'll need to go back with my pitchfork and poke holes in the boxes for water to get through, which I should have did after I laid them down in the beginning, but I didn't do that, but that's okay. I can do it now. Also with the Back to Eden method, they say you rarely have to water, but I would always check just to make sure. Well, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video, and check back with me and see how this garden's doing during the year. I'll be posting more videos, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We need subscribers. It really helps us. Thanks for watching the video, and y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.